Hello students, I hope you are all fit and fine. So today I will share important rules that will make division of integers very much easy. So now we will learn the first rule, that is rule number 1. Rule number 1 we will first learn. For dividing one integer by the other regardless of their for dividing one integer by another, the two having unlike signs. The two having unlike signs. The two having unlike signs. We divide their values regardless of their signs and give a minus sign to the quotient. So what is rule number 1, students? For dividing one integer by other, the two having unlike signs, well, means 1 plus 1 minus, we divide their values regardless of their signs and give a minus sign to the question. Means we do not have to see whether one number is bigger or one number is smaller. That we need to see in addition, that which number is bigger and that number's sign we have to give. But in division or multiplication we don't have to do this. So this is rule number 1. This is the main keyword here. We divide their values regardless of their signs and gives a minus sign to the question. We do not bother what is the sign, regardless of their signs. So I will give you one example. That is minus 48 divided by 12. So here minus 48 divided by 12 means minus 48 into, so if we do multiply it will be the reciprocal, so 1 by 12, then it will be 12/4. So I will not see anything, I will put just a minus sign here. I will not see anything. Plus minus result will give minus, that I will put here just only. So this is rule number 1. This is rule number 1. There are 2 rules. Now we will go to the second rule. Rule number 2. Rule number 2, same thing for dividing one integer by the other, the two the having like signs, we divide their values regardless of their signs and put plus sign to the quotient. So what is rule number 2 saying? For dividing, means for dividing one integer by other having like signs, means unlike signs means suppose one sign is minus and one sign is plus, and like signs means suppose one sign is minus, the other sign is also minus. This is like sign. We divide their values regardless of their signs and put plus sign to the quotient. The main keyword is here. This is the like signs. If you don't write this, rules doesn't come in exam, but you need to mention this like signs. So I will give you an example. That is, I will give you that example only, minus 48 divided by minus 12. So what will be the answer? Minus 48 divided by minus 12, it will be minus 48 into minus 1 by minus 12. So it will be 4 will be the answer, because minus result will give you plus. So the answer will be plus 4. This because there are two like signs, and like signs result will give plus and unlike signs result will give minus. So that's it, students. Hope you like this video. Please share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.